1. Index: the Temple of Barcelona's Sagrada Familia. 3. The Madrid Sky Gate. 4. The diagonal sun line between Madrid and Barcelona. 5. Cultural relationships between Spain and Hispanic America. Summary by chapters and conclusion.
La Universidad Politécnica de Madrid, a través de UPM Press, acaba de publicar el libro Madrid Stonehenge, de la Puerta del Sol al Arco Solar Meridiano Cero. El libro demuestra que la impronta del Sol sobre Madrid es equivalente a la que tuvo lugar en Stonehenge 3000 años antes de Cristo, enmarcando mediante trilitos los rayos del Sol al amanecer del día más largo del año y los del ocaso del día más corto. Estas coincidencias solares se repiten en Madrid, pudiendo apreciarse si hubiera una atalaya situada en el río, quedando alineadas la muralla, la calle Mayor, la plaza de la Puerta del Sol, cruzada en diagonal, las Cibeles y la Puerta Alcalá. Para convertir esta idea en realidad, el Principito ha vuelto a la tierra, siendo ahora un universitario que fomenta la unidad entre los 500 millones de hispanohablantes a través de su imaginativa Puerta del Cielo. Como lugar de encuentro de lo que fue y sigue siendo Madrid, con su Puerta del Sol, el meridiano cero del planeta Tierra.
Part 1. Background. Fire of the schools and the workshop of the Temple of la Sagrada Familia, 1934. Gaudí was born in Reus, Tarragona, in 1852, and he was in charge of la Sagrada Familia when the sacristy had begun in 1882. In 1926, Gaudí died, having finished the temple's nativity facade. In 1934, the schools of the Sagrada Familia, along with the temple and the workshops where Gaudí stored all the samples and construction gypsum, were burnt down and destroyed. 4. Invention of the reinforced concrete by Freycinet in 1920. New composite material. It's important to remember that when Gaudí designed La Sagrada Familia, the reinforced concrete did not exist, nor the idea of incorporating steel in masonry of brick or stone. The reinforced concrete consists of arranging a formwork box with the shape of what you want to manufacture to build. Although the necessary steel bars are first arranged in the formwork box so that it can withstand the capacity of traction. After this is arranged, you will pour a liquid that will harden the next few hours. Gaudí and the vaults of the Sagrada Familia schools, moving them via sail. Adell's 2002 proposal not considered. This author proposed moving the school in one piece by sailing with his invention patent, since it was evident that the temple would end up on top of the schools, giving their temporary location. In the end, the Sagrada Familia Board of Patronage, together with the National Patrimony, decided to cut the schools into pieces, rescuing only 3 doors, 1 front and 2 corners, for their new location, rebuilding the rest with existing ancient bricks. 6. Gaudí and the vault of the schools of the Sagrada Familia, cut to pieces. Only 3 parts have been used with their 3 doors, and everything else has been rebuilt. The transfer was proposed to be adjoining the site of the Plaza of the Sagrada Familia, remaining with a background of cypresses. To do this, we had to make a raised channel with a sand at the edges onto the ground, including a plastic to fill it with water and generate the flotation of the building after construction of its waterproof lower hull, only about 60 centimeters. Perforated brick that transforms into hollow brick to be able to assemble vertically. The possibilities of assembling the brick vertically was achieved by this author in 2000 in the construction of the Millennium Arc, for what a perfored brick was designed so that it could be transformed into a wide, hollow, vertical brick, rearranging the perforations appropriately to achieve it. Here is the case of the brick flower, ladiflor, where after a lateral cut, the flower could be removed, leaving a wide vertical hollow without having to look for special bricks. The vertical reinforced is undertaken laterally by using only mortar with the brick work. Contrary to the immediate idea of arranging bricks with the large vertical voids to fill them with concrete, which is not practical for the masonry. The all-wall system achieved vertical reinforcement by lateral access of the pieces, flower brick, against the previously arranged reinforced, and using only this brick with its mortar arranged by hand by the mason. The 3D invention of this author was presented in front of the Plaza de Congresos of Madrid at the 12th IBMAC.